GoPro has launched three new models in India, the MAX2, LIT HERO and Fluid Pro AI. These devices are designed for 360-degree videos, lifestyle recording and AI-based stabilization. The lineup was first introduced globally in September 2025 is now officially available on the Indian market. The GoPro MAX2 is designed for creators who want high-quality 360-degree footage, comes with true 8K and supports 5.6 at 60 frames per second and 4K at 100 frames per second. The camera includes Max HyperSmooth 360 stabilization, AI-assisted editing, and cloud-based storage support system for subscribers. It's the only 360-degree camera in the segment to come with built-in GPS. It has waterproof up to 5 meters. It features twist and go replaceable lenses, invisible mounting options, folding figures, and 16 mounted cameras. It uses 1 by 2.3 inch sensor pad with f1.8, offering 14 to 26 mm equivalent focal length. Video recording options include 8K 35K 60, 4K 100 and 360-degree mode, and 4K 60 and 1080p 60 in single lens mode. It has 6 microphones that capture 360-degree stereo and directional sound while minimizing noise. It supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C 3.0. The LIT HERO is a compact lifestyle camera made for everyday use. It weighs 93 grams and comes with built-in light for flexible shooting. It records 4K video at 60 frames per second, supports 2x slow motion, and attaches magnetically for easy mounting. The device is waterproof up to 5 meters and powered by 1255 mAh battery that provides 100 minutes of continuous 4K video recording. It has two microphones, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, USB-C connectivity. The Fluid Pro AI is a 3-axis gimbal made for GoPro camera, smartphone, and compact point-and-shoot models weighing up to 400 grams. It features AI tracking that automatically follows faces and bodies in the frame, along with the built-in fill light for even lighting. The gimbal allows 35-degree tilt and roll, unlimited 360-degree pan rotation, and offers up to 18 hours of battery life. It serves as a power bank while recording. It connects to GoPro Fluid app, allowing users to control shutter, zoom, and focus remotely. It supports multiple cameras, come with a limited lifetime warranty, and includes tripod-based AI module, mounting brackets, USB-C cables, and zippered case. The GoPro Max goes for 54,999 rupees, comes with 64 GB SD card at the launch bundle. The LIT HERO comes at 28,500 rupees and available in the first week of December. The Fluid Pro AI gimbal comes at 23,000 rupees and goes on sale in early January 2026.